The mud volcanoes of Azerbaijan, scattered predominantly around the Gobistan Reserve, hold a captivating allure and remain a geological enigma. Unlike traditional volcanoes, these spectacles erupt with a cold slurry of mud and gas emanating deep from the Earth's subsoil. Local legends often speak of hidden energies and spirits awakening these mysterious giants, sparking both fear and fascination. Every eruption paints an ever-changing canvas of bizarre, otherworldly landscapes, drawing scientists and tourists alike to their peculiar beauty and unpredictability. Embedded in ancient folklore, Azerbaijan's mud volcanoes are more than just natural wonders. They are mysterious storytellers whispering secrets of the planet's innermost chambers